Hey guys, Josh here again, Shamrock overhead door. Just wanted to do another quick video of a blown out gear kit. So we're going to go inside, take a listen to a LiftMaster chain drive that was installed in 1999. Again, this is a common issue, especially the colder it gets. Less maintenance on the garage doors, put stress on the operators, and have the potential to blow out your gear kit. So let's go take a look.
Alright, so here we have a motor from 1999. It's a LiftMaster half horsepower. We're going to go ahead and run the operator. You can hear how it's got a hump and the chain is not moving. So that is what a blown out gear kit will sound like. Alright, here you have the content of the gear kit. That comes up to the top that turns the chain. And the motor actually spins this gear here from these little guys right here. Alright, so here we are. We're going to take out the box here. And inside, you see little white particles. So this here is a shredded gear kit. We actually have a term for this in the industry. It's called snowing. If it's snowing inside the operator and the gear kit ends up looking something like that, all chewed up, then you've got to replace yourself a gear kit. Let's see, right there, all this here looks like snow. There it is. It's from a chewed up gear kit. So we'll get that all cleaned out, get a new gear kit installed, and she'll be back up and running. And this is the unit with a new gear kit installed.